Hey, what's up, everybody? Brian Bakert 35 with BH35 Sports Cards. We're just wrapping up the half case hobby of 2015 Bowman. This is the one that was filled completely through the mega breaks as filler spots. Take you over the randomizer. This was everybody that was in it right here. The teams are in the team draw section. I'll show them in a second here, though. There you go. We're going to randomize this list 7 times, and whoever's on top is going to win all the paper that is not a parallel from this break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There you go. Going to DeHammy. Second place will be the Hunter if DeHammy doesn't want it. There you go. Take you on over, show you the cards, show you what we got. This was all of our paper stuff. And the goods had Carlos Suarez to 50, Chad Pinder, base auto, Trevor Gott, orange to 25, mini of Gary Sanchez, Miguel Sano, mini orange to 25, Trevor Gott, purple auto, Trevor got a purple auto to 250, Domingo German to 150, Domingo German. A gold Rafael Bautista to 50, Jordan Luplow, and Jake Bowers refractor auto to 499. So that's it. That's it for this one. Thanks, guys.